Hello friends, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for every new video. Hello friends, welcome to the another series of Friday AI. In this video, Friday will be able to post on social medias. I'll show you for Facebook. For other social media, you can try by yourself and in case of any problem, you can comment below. So for this, first we need to have access token of Graph API. So earlier I have created a series of integration of Python with Facebook. So we will refer to those videos. If you have not watched that series, link in the I button. Now let's start. So first we need to install Facebook SDK. So for that I am opening the terminal and I am installing pip install Facebook SDK. Hit enter. Now it is already installed. So let's start with coding. So here I'm going to create a Python file and naming it as FB, and in this I am importing the Facebook, and then we need to have the access token which I have already created. So here we need to paste that like this. Then we will create object Facebook dot graph API, and we will pass this access token. Then we will create a class with the name Facebook, and then we will create a method which is post on wall, and we will give an argument message, and then fp dot we will have get object, put object here, and here the wall will be mine and it will post as feed, and then the message like this. Sorry, yeah. Now we will import this module into our Friday, and here I'll import from fb import Facebook. Now I'll create another dictionary which will be as social post dictionary, and that dictionary will have the key and values which will be post and post like this. Now I'm going to create a function which is by the name f to be posted, because it can be on Facebook or Twitter or any other social media. So we need to have the social media name to which user want to post. So I am just uh, here we will pass the voice note because social media name will come from the voice note. So for key in social media dictionary dot keys, and if key in voice note, then it will return the key. It means if we want to post on Facebook, then I'll say like post on Facebook and my message. So it has all the social medias, Facebook and Twitter for now. Now it will have the key. So key like Facebook, if I have voice note as post on Facebook. So key we have Facebook, and Facebook is in our voice note. So Facebook will return as a key. So now we need to have here So I'll create one more alif, and that will be like post in voice note. Then what will happen? We will first have the media name. So media equals to be posted, and then the voice note. So now if media equals to Facebook, equals to double equals to Facebook, then we will have the Facebook dot post on wall, and we will get the message. Let me just create another variable message, or we can have the post equals to. Now we will have the voice note dot split, and we will split from the media, and we will have the index 1, and we will use the capitalize also. Why I'm using this? Because voice note is in lower form. So to get in proper format, we will capitalize the first index of the first word. So where it is? Yeah, here it is. And we will pass the post here. And just check, we will print a message that, okay, so we will not print the message. We will play the sound, and sound will be a sound from Polly, and that will be as post, post has been posted on Facebook success, successfully. Yes. So this sound will play, and here also I'll play the sound. Sure, sorry, sure, sir, like this. Control Alt L. It will align our code. Now let's run this.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Post on Facebook. Good afternoon. Okay, so one argument is missing from this. So what I'll do, I'll just pass here the false. So let's run it again.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Post on Facebook. Good afternoon.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so we are getting error. Put object, take 3 optional, but 4 were given. So let me just check it. Okay, so this would be like this. Message. Now again, run it.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Post on Facebook. Good afternoon.
Sure, sir. Post has been posted on Facebook successfully.
So you can see the post is posted. So let's verify it. So here I'm opening the Facebook, and yes, 1 minute before we have this good afternoon post. So I'm deleting it for now. Yes, it's deleted. So like this, you can implement for the Twitter and other platforms. I hope you all are enjoying this series. I will come up with more abilities of Friday. Till then, if you really enjoying this series, please hit the like button. Comment below if you want to ask anything, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon also. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.